The Hummer H2 is a legendary SUV known for its bold design, off-road capabilities, and military-inspired aesthetics. Introduced by General Motors in 2002, the H2 was designed to offer the ruggedness of the original Hummer H1 with improved comfort and features for everyday drivers. Built on a modified GM truck platform, the H2 became an icon of power and durability. The invention of the Hummer H2 was inspired by the military-grade Humvee, which was widely used by the U.S. Army. AM General originally developed the Humvee, and after the commercial success of the Hummer H1, General Motors acquired the brand and launched the H2. It was produced from 2002 until 2009, gaining immense popularity among SUV enthusiasts and celebrities alike. The United States remains the country where the Hummer H2 was most commonly used and sold. With its aggressive stance and imposing presence, it became a status symbol, frequently seen in movies, music videos, and luxury car collections. Apart from the US, countries in the Middle East also showed significant interest in the H2 due to its ability to handle tough terrains and extreme weather conditions. The Hummer H2 was widely popular due to its distinctive design, powerful performance, and off-road capabilities. It appealed to adventure seekers, off-road enthusiasts, and individuals looking for a vehicle that made a statement. Celebrities, athletes, and high-profile personalities often chose the H2 for its commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, the H2 featured a 6.0L V8 engine in early models and later upgraded to a 6.2L V8, delivering up to 393 horsepower. The SUV came with a 4-speed automatic transmission, later upgraded to a 6-speed automatic. Its performance was designed to tackle any terrain with ease, featuring a full-time 4-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and a sturdy chassis. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the H2 was known for its high fuel consumption. It averaged around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, making it one of the least fuel-efficient vehicles in its category. However, its powerful engine and heavy-duty construction justified its fuel economy, as it was built for performance rather than efficiency. The Hummer H2 was packed with features that enhanced its capabilities and comfort. It included a luxurious leather interior, heated seats, premium sound system, and advanced safety features like electronic stability control, traction control, and multiple airbags. The vehicle's off-road prowess was further enhanced by skid plates, a locking rear differential, and an adaptable suspension system. Pricing for the H2 varied depending on the model and optional features. When new, it had a starting price of around $50,000 and could go up to $70,000 for fully loaded models. Today, used H2 models can still fetch high prices in the resale market, depending on their condition and mileage. One of the major selling points of the Hummer H2 was its undeniable road presence and rugged appeal. It was a vehicle that stood out, offering both luxury and extreme off-road capabilities. Although it was discontinued in 2009 due to changing market demands and fuel economy concerns, the H2 remains a sought-after SUV among collectors and off-road enthusiasts who appreciate its bold design and performance.